Dear students, in our last class we studied chapter 18, how our government functions. In this we studied about our country India, that our country is a huge one. So one government will not be able to solve all the problems. That's why for the smooth running of the country, our country India has been divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. And we studied that our government is called federal form of government. Why is it called federal form of government? Because it works at two levels. One is the central government, another is the state government. Central government looks after the functioning of the entire country. पूरे country के ऊपर होता है central government. And the state government looks after running of different states. Then we studied that the central government is also known as union government, and it is the responsibility of central government to make the laws for the entire country and also see that the laws are being properly implemented. Then we studied that the parliament, which is located in our national capital, that is New Delhi, is the law making body. And the parliament is made up of two houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The Lok Sabha we studied is the lower body of the parliament, and the members of Lok Sabha are elected by the votes that we cast. And any citizen of India who is above the age of 18 years can cast their vote. Then we studied that because the people of our country directly elect the members of Lok Sabha, that's why it is also called House of the People. And the proceedings of the House are managed by the Speaker of the House. I asked you who is the Speaker, and many of you have sent me the correct answer, that is Mr. Om Birla. And any citizen of India who is above the age of 25 years can contest for the elections for the Lok Sabha to be its member. अगर कोई बनना चाहता है लोक सभा का मेंबर तो उसकी एज 25 ईयर्स से ज़्यादा होनी चाहिए. Now see here, one activity is given that find out when the last Lok Sabha elections were held. Find the names of the candidates and the winner from your constituency. With the help of your parents, you can try to find it out. The election process. Our entire nation means our entire country, has been divided into various constituencies. पूरे country को छोटे छोटे constituencies में divide किए गए हैं. The maximum strength of Lok Sabha is 552 members, out of which 530 members represent the various states of India and 20 members represent the union territories. 2 members representing the Anglo-Indian community are also nominated by the President. तो जो लोकसभा है उसमें 552 मेंबर्स उसकी मैक्सिमम स्ट्रेंथ है. तो ये 552 मेंबर्स कहाँ से आएंगे? इस 552 में से 530 मेंबर्स वेरियस स्टेट्स से आते हैं. ओके, एंड 20 मेंबर्स यूनियन टेरिटरीज से आते हैं. वी स्टडीड ना, वी हैव 28 स्टेट्स एंड 8 यूनियन टेरिटरीज. एंड 2 मेंबर्स होते हैं जो एंग्लो इंडियन कम्युनिटी के होते हैं. एंग्लो इंडियन मीन्स हु आर नॉट Indian by birth but they stay in India and they have got the citizenship. They are called Anglo-Indian community. They are nominated by the President. President nominates such 2 members. So this way it makes 552 members of Lok Sabha. Now we start the Rajya Sabha. As the Lok Sabha was called the lower house, the Rajya Sabha is called the upper house of the parliament. Unlike the Lok Sabha, its members are not directly elected by the people. Lok Sabha, we studied that Lok Sabha members are directly elected by the votes that we give. But Rajya Sabha members are not elected like that. Instead, the members of the state legislative assemblies elect the members of Rajya Sabha for a period of 6 years. Due to this reason, it is also called as the Council of States. स्टेट्स में एक ये बॉडी होती है स्टेट लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली. इसके जो मेंबर्स होते हैं वो राज्यसभा के मेंबर्स को इलेक्ट करते हैं. एंड मेंबर ऑफ राज्यसभा इज इलेक्टेड फॉर 6 years. दैट मीन्स once if anybody is elected as member of Rajya Sabha, he will be member of Rajya Sabha for a period of 6 years until next election. The Vice President of India is the chairman of the Rajya Sabha. The maximum strength of the Rajya Sabha is 250 members. Today we studied maximum strength of Lok Sabha, that was 552. Maximum strength of Rajya Sabha is 250 members, out of which 238 members are elected and 12 are nominated by the President. इन 250 जो स्ट्रेंथ है मैक्सिमम स्ट्रेंथ राज्यसभा की, इसमें से ये 238 मेंबर्स तो इलेक्शन के द्वारा चुने जाते हैं और 12 मेंबर्स को प्रेसिडेंट नॉमिनेट करते हैं. मीन्स प्रेसिडेंट उनके नेम सजेस्ट करते हैं. Out of this, 1/3 of the members retire every 2 years. So today we study up till here. Your work is to read the lesson up till here and ask if you have any doubts. Thank you, children.